but Indian National Congress is committed to give a new vision, not only for Bengaluru. We have given a young team, Mr. Mansoor Ali Khan, Soumya Reddy, and our friend Professor Rajiv Gowda. They are visionary politicians. They are politicians who want to transform Bengaluru. As also our friend D.K. Suresh, Member of Parliament from Bangalore Rural, our Chikballapur candidate, Raksha Ramaiya. You see, there is an energy of youth in them, and there is an energy to transform Karnataka as also Bengaluru. Very soon, we will also, this team Bengaluru will come out with a whole vision plan. Look at our young legislators as also our young leaders. We will very soon come out with it.
So how many seats are you confident of winning?
We are more than confident of repeating the old record of the Congress party when we used to win all seats. We, looking at the groundswell of support for the Congress, do not be surprised if BJP is clean bowled and gets a CIFA in this parliament election.